Hello my dear friends, it's me again. And yes, to be honest, I am proud of myself. So I got the circuit running without any radiation we can't control and we are not aware of. So that makes it safe, I think, to play around with it. So what I love the most on this success is that it sings, it makes music. Listen to it. First the Jewel Thief. You hear that nice squeezing beep? And then sound of the engines. And to get it even nicer, we put in a fresh battery. And then we need to start it again. Then we listen to it again. It's a very, very high beep of the transistor. This is really running great. Not only the beep from the transistor alone, from the Jewel Thief. And it really shines bright. It's a really bright output, and it consumes about 200 milliamperes. So it drinks a lot out of the battery. This is to say, this is working. Thank you for watching.